Howzit T.O.B family, welcome to yet another episode of our weekly videos. Our subject for today is the XIAOMI Redmi Buds 3 Pro. Let's go. This is the XIAOMI Redmi Buds 3 Pro. Some of the features include a 35 decibel active noise cancelling, a fast charge feature which gives you 10-minute charge for 30 minutes of use, a dual device connectivity, which means you can connect several devices to this earbud at the same time. You can charge this wirelessly or with a USB connection. You've got both options. Adaptive noise cancellation, dual transparency mode, a 9-meter composite diaphragm coil, 28 hours playback without the active noise cancelling, and 6 hours playback with the noise cancelling. There are other features, of course, to this earbud. Right here behind the box, I'm going to put that on the screen right here, so as I unbox this, you can just read through. Alright, are you ready? Let's go. Please click on the like button to support this channel with the YouTube algorithm. Thanks. When you open the box, this is what you get: extra size ear tips and the USB Type-C charging cable for your wired charging, and the Redmi Buds 3 Pro. We're not interested in this right now, so let's just put this aside. Like the shape of the case, seems simple enough. We've got the function key here for your multiple connections. Underneath, we've got the USB Type-C charging port. Got the Redmi name behind here, and the indicator light, a charge indicator light. Cool. Alright, let's pop this open and see what they look like. Here we go. Okay, seems easy enough. Before we go any further, let me tell you this. These come in two colors, in black and white. We've got the white one, obviously. There we go. I like the design, seems to take the shape of the human ear. Most earbuds these days do, they kind of take the same shape. Seems it's more comfortable that way. We've got the charge plates for the charging pins here. I think we've got a mic behind there, right there. And we've got another mic here and another one here. This right here is the touch sensor. This is where you operate the earbud. Very nice design. I like this. Okay, there are lots of other features to this earbud. We're going to talk about them as we go on, but right now let us do a fit test to see how comfortable this feels when we put it on. Wow, that's very comfortable. It fits in the ear very comfortably. It is not poking my ear. It is not heavy. There's no discomfort at all. It is very, very, very comfortable. Wow, that's a great fit. And not slipping off any days anytime soon. I think you can exercise with this because there's kind of a grip to it if you're using the proper ear size, the proper ear tip. There's a grip to it. Wow, I like this. Very, very comfortable. Good. Let us connect this now to a cell phone, and for us to do that, we have to download the Mi Buds M8 app. Get that from your Google store or from your Apple store, Mi Buds M8 app, and we can use that to pair this device. I've taken the liberty of downloading it on my cell phone already. This is like a one-size-fits-all app, you know, like one ring to rule them all, but this is one app to work them all. It gives you access to several XIAOMI earbuds, but we're interested in the Redmi Buds 3 Pro. Select that and we'll try to connect. Go to Bluetooth settings and no, go to Bluetooth settings, pick up the Redmi Buds, and we pair right there, connected. Now we go back to the app and we're connected completely. Really straightforward. This app gives you a lot of options. There's several things you can look in this app, like sound settings, the ear tip fit test, a missing earphone alert. Like if you're looking for an earphone, you can find it from your app, you know, like a sound find me, you have that option. And the gestures is for your controls. There's several things about this app that you can just go through and in your own time. Let us test this and see how it performs. Now, when I'm testing the sound of this, I'm also going to test the noise cancellation feature, and then I'll let you know what I think afterwards. Let's talk about the sound on this one. Great sound. The bass on this one, amazing. It is not the thumping kind of bass. It's not overshadowing anything. It is very, very good sound. Now, the individual sound, you could actually just string out the individual sounds if you have an ear for it. If you're listening very well, you could actually string out the individual sounds that make up the whole harmony. It is amazing. Very, very good, very clear, breezy, not noisy, and no distortion at high notes, and the low notes are very, very clear. It is amazing. Flagship sound, I'll give it a 9 out of 10. A very strong 9 out of 10. Great sound. Great sound. Now let's talk about some of the features that I think is a great selling point for this earbud. For instance, the noise cancelling feature. Now, with that, you have the noise cancelling on, noise cancelling off, and the transparency mode. Now, when the noise cancelling is activated, you've got 4 options. You've got the deep cancellation, the light cancellation, adaptive cancellation, and the balanced cancellation. Now, with the deep cancellation, what that does is it cancels outside noise completely. From engine sounds to little children walking around you, the rest of the world is completely dead to you when that is activated. The light cancellation mode is something you can use in relatively quiet areas like a library, and probably maybe a meeting setting. Probably a meeting setting. You know, you're present but you're not really present. Yeah. So you can still hear a bit of the outside noise, you can still hear what's happening around you, but not so loud. It's really, really, really reduced. The balance cancellation mode cancels out distracting noise around you. It's an option you might want to use in places like the shops or like a restaurant. Now, the immediate sound around you comes through, but the sound that's a bit further away from you is cancelled out completely, so it doesn't really distract you. But you can still get a bit of the outside noise coming in. So those sounds that are really next to you, that's close to you, you're gonna hear them. But the one that's a bit further from you, you are not going to hear them. With the adaptive cancellation, what that does is it uses the AI to decide what kind of cancellation mode would be best for the situation you're in. The AI decides if you need a deep cancellation, if you need, a balanced cancellation, a light cancellation. It also depends on which of the cancellation modes you use a lot. So if you use a lot of the deep cancellation, it will probably pick that as the first option. So put that in mind. Now let's talk about the transparency mode. And like it implies, you get outside noise coming in while you have the earbuds on. Under transparency mode, we have the enhanced voice option. Now what that does is it helps enhance the quality of the voice if you're on the phone or you're having a conversation. It helps enhance the quality of the sound. Now the battery power I think is a bit decent. You get 6 hours from single use and 28 hours altogether. That includes the charging case with the noise cancellation off. Now the fast charging feature works with both wireless and wired charging. So you've got fast charging if you're charging wirelessly or you're charging with the USB cables. Now I personally love the dual connectivity option because what that does is you can connect 2 devices to one earbud. So when I used it, I connected my phone and my tablet to it at the same time, so I don't have to be changing earbuds when I'm using both devices, so it works out. You also have in-ear detection, so when you take out the earbuds from your ear, if you're listening to music or even a movie, it pauses. When you put it back in your ear, it detects that the earbud is in your ear and the playback continues. You also get IPX4 water resistant rating, so it can take a sprinkle, but not a bath. Just a sprinkle. It's got a find your phone option, so in a situation where you don't know where your earbuds are, through the app you can locate your earbuds, because then you switch on the find your phone and your earbuds go off. Great option. Alright, let's test some of the controls on these. To pause and play, double tap on the right or on the left. To pause and play, double tap on the right or on the left. To go to the next track, triple tap on the right. And to go back to your previous track, triple tap on the left. these are the only options that we can test right now as we are testing the controls. Now there are options for the noise cancellation. You can just set that all from your app, and the options for volume control, but you would have to choose between using the volume control or using the song switch option. You just have to decide what you want to do. You can set it all from your app. All right, so I'm happy that at least there's an option for you to choose your volume control instead of switching to using the next button for the next song. I also like the fact that it's got a proximity sensor, so if you put this in your ear, it plays, but if you take your ears out of it, it pauses. So this is a very great option. I like the proximity sensor on this. So yes, I'm very satisfied with the option for controls that we have. Now there's several other options. If you do buy this, look through the manual and you see all the options that you have when it comes to control for this earbud. But actually for me, I am very, very satisfied with it. This is a great earbuds to have. Very great for the season. It'll make a very good gift for somebody this Christmas season, or even for yourself. Treat yourself to something nice. This is really good. I'm satisfied. Wow. Thank you for watching the video till the end. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. No, seriously guys, please give this video a thumbs up. It's very important for the YouTube algorithm. It's one of the best ways you can support this channel. If you're watching our videos regularly and you're not subscribed yet, do the right thing. Click on the subscription button and the notification bell while you're at it so you can be notified when a video is put out. If there's something you'd like to see on this channel, please leave it in the comment section or send me an email. I'm going to leave the link in the description to this device in case you want to get it for yourself. I think it'll make an amazing Christmas gift with Christmas just around the corner. All right? Until next time, take care.